Hello, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me again on this channel. This is Market Formula, bringing to you the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. It's been a while. Thank God we are here again. I'll just quickly look at what the index is saying and see what the possibilities are this week. And let's see, as this week ends the month, let's see what will possibly happen in the month of March 2023. So let's just look at the index. Looking at the index, we see that the index has been on an uptrend for quite some time now, since March 2020. We've been on this uptrend. So we found support around here, then we are going higher. So what do we expect? The momentum is still intact. Let me look at the daily. You can see there is a break and a retest of this level. And by the way, what I have here now is just the pivot. I just place the pivots just to make my work simpler. So with this pivot, I can cover more stocks on this channel. Just quickly checking the entries and the exits, the possible movement in the price. Technical analysis that we do focus majorly on price movement, not paying so much attention to the fundamentals around. Any fundamentals that does not reflect in the price, as a technical analyst, I discard. It's not important to me. What I want to see, that anything that is happening out there will ultimately reflect in the price. So having said that, looking at this now, it is just like a break and a retest. We broke this current resistance at 53,852 basis points, then come back to use it for a retest. So what I expect is that price will move to the next resistance, which is at 56,639. So at this level, I will expect some reaction, either to push it back to this support, or to break through and come back and use it as a support again and go higher. But from the look of things, what I'm saying going forward, I expect the index to get to somewhere around, I don't know how possible that will be, 60,000. I don't know how possible that will be, but it is a possibility. Looking at this channel, look at the channel that has been forming. In fact, the channel is still going higher, but I don't know. I don't know. Let me still draw it higher. I don't know. Maybe the market will still test that channel height, and it depends on the time again. If market moves so fast, it will touch it here. If we move so slowly, it might continue to go like this. It might continue to go like this, which is also a possibility. And we continue to watch the momentum and see that is the momentum still in the direction that we are trading. If by peradventure we see that the momentum starts painting red on the weekly, then we know that there is possibility for a reversal soon. We've broken the highest high. The recent high was around 54,000, which was formed in May 2022. We've broken it and we are moving higher. We expect some reaction at 56,000, then we'll see how it unfolds. But I know from the look of things and what we are seeing, market is likely going to push higher. Having said that, let's just quickly run through the technical ratings by trading view. Let's see the stocks that we have. Under technical rating strong buy, I have 17 stocks. Let me see if I can cover buy with that. With buy, we have 72 stocks. Let me see how many stocks we can look at, but I'll just be looking at them briefly. So if you need to refer to it, you can replay the video in case you find anything interesting and useful in the video. So, well, the number one stock I have on this list is Transcorp. Let's see what the chart of Transcorp looks like. Looking at Transcorp, we've had a break of this current resistance at 6 naira 34. 37 kobo, we are going to this level. So if you have it, you can hold it till 6 naira 86 kobo. If you must enter this stock, come and enter at around 6 naira 5 kobo or thereabouts. That is for Transcorp. Let's see, John Holt. There is no entry here. It's far, far overbought. There is no entry. Overbought, no entry. But it's still going up from what I'm looking at. Still going up. The momentum is still very strong. Let's see, Prestige. Okay, for this Prestige, if you can get Prestige at 38 kobo, let's hope that it will get back to 49 kobo, 50 kobo zone. Looking at it from here, you can see that the market is only ranging. It's only ranging. So in a ranging market, what you want to do is to buy as close as possible to the bottom of the range. So I think the price I would recommend for entry in Prestige is 37 kobo. Flour mill. Okay, flour mill is a very good one because we are currently above the pivot. If you can get the entry around 30 naira, 89 kobo, then to a push to 35 kobo, to a push to 35 naira. MRS, I think is overbought. Yeah, overbought. Um, Okay, this is also another good one. Dangote Cement, if you can get entry at 258 naira for a push to 288 naira, then if that zone, that level is broken, because we do not know what price we do at that level, then if you can get it like this, I think it is more realistic. Yes, or even if it comes lower to somewhere around 248 kobo, you can pick it. But from what I'm looking at, the momentum is already in the positive side. There might not be much pullback when the momentum is already crossed to the positive side. So there might not be really much pullback in that stock. So that's for Dangote Cement. ABC Transcorp, after many years, has finally woken up. You can see this great rejection and is filled. So the first level that you can watch is at 49, 40, 40, 41 kobo. You can take your profit at that level. Then if it goes higher, you can take another profit at 48 kobo. As for ABC Transport. Boa Foods, this is overbought, overbought, overbought. If you want to buy, come and buy at 74 naira. You'll be here. Okay, you'll be here. There's a break and there's a break. Okay, so from what I'm looking at, if you can get it at 8 naira, very good. But I'm not sure this stock will get as low as 8 naira. So if you get it at around 8 naira, 8 naira 25 kobo is good. I think this stock will touch somewhere around 9 naira. Very positive. That stock will touch 9 naira. And if it breaks 9 naira, what level are we going again? But this zone is a very strong zone. 9 naira, take your profit. Might not get to 10 naira. Keja Hotel. Keja Hotel, very good. From here, we have a jump. This is a gap. If markets can come to fill this gap, let's say if you can get entry around 1 naira, 5 kobo, thereabout, don't think this will still get okay because the momentum is still negative, but we are crossing above. So if you want to buy from 1 naira 18 kobo is good, and if you can get it at 1 naira 8 kobo also, fine. I expect this stock to get to somewhere around 1 naira 29 kobo, then a break of that level will come to 1 naira 41 kobo. As for Ikeja Hotel, Triple G, that's overbought. Caverton, Okay, Kabatin is still unfolding. Okay, looking at this is the highest high to form the lowest low. This is the last high that formed this low. So I expect market to come and react to this level. This is around if you want to buy, if you can get it at 82 kobo is good. But in case the market doesn't come as low as 82 kobo, you can pick it at 97 kobo for a push to levels like 1 naira 20 kobo, 1 naira 29 kobo, 1 naira 30 kobo will be a very strong resistance. I'm very sure because number one, we have a moving average coming down, then price is going to hit it. So there will be a resistance, there will be a strong resistance at this confluence of resistance. I'm very sure before market will push here, I'm not very sure this is possible. Let's bring it down to this place. Okay, that's for Caberton. Charms, charms, okay, very good. If you can get the entry at 226 kobo, and 6 kobo, very good. Then to a push to this zone is going to be a strong resistance zone. So if you can get out at 32 kobo, but my price, the price that I recommend for entry should be around 25 kobo, 26 kobo for the entry for the stock. But I'm positive and get to that level. Yes. Zenith Bank is also a strong buy. But from what I'm looking at, we are currently facing a strong resistance at this level. Market has struggled at this level. If you must enter, can come and enter at 22 naira. 22 naira. I don't think I recommend you entering here. Let me see the daily. Okay, there's a break and a retest. If you have it, you hold it. But if you can take the risk, you can also enter here. But me, I will not take that risk of entering here. But I know it's possible. A very, very high possibility. There's a high possibility that the price will hit 26 naira 81 kobo zone. So next one, AfriPrud. Okay, AfriPrud, we get entry at around 5 naira, 6 naira. That's around 6 naira is good. Let's hope that market gets to 7 naira. And take your profit at 7 naira. Okay, and see this break and a retest. And we are currently facing 13 naira resistance. So, and it's also a confluence. There's a confluence because this trend channel, this up channel, this is the top of the up channel. So what market might break it, the momentum is still intact. So if you have it, hold it till 14 naira 91 kobo, or you take a fresh entry if the market pulls back to 12 naira 23 kobo. E-Transact. Okay, E-Transact currently sitting on this resistance. If you have it, hold it. But to enter a new one at this level, I don't think I really like this. But looking at the fundamentals, I think this company will benefit very, very much from this cashless policy. So that might be a good reason to buy at 3 naira 53 kobo. Sun Assurance. Okay. So if you have it, you can take your profit at 42 kobo. 42 kobo. I don't expect it to go higher than that for now. And 42 kobo. If you want a fresh entry, you can enter at 33 kobo. Narco, this is rated by. Okay, I've started looking at buy opportunities. From what I'm looking at, the channel is broken. This is a bull's flag, and looking at the pole of the flag is almost equal to this. is almost equal to this. So I think the market might find resistance at this level. Market might not push to 10 naira. So if you have the stock, just take your profit at this 8 naira 98 kobo thereabout. If you must enter a fresh entry, I recommend 7 naira 41 kobo. Looking at it as because it has served as a resistance. So market going up to hit the upper resistance might come and find a support at the lowest resistance, previous resistance that has now become a support. So that's what you will look at in that stock. Access. Okay, access is currently facing this strong resistance at 951 kobo. So I don't think it's going higher than this. If you have this stock, just take your profit here and wait for a fresh entry around 8 naira 63 kobo. Take your profit at 9 naira 56 kobo. Then we have GTCO. Okay, GTCO looks like a break and a retest. If you look at it on the daily, you will see that okay, it's a break and a retest. A break, resistance, turn support. So this is now a support. If you want to enter, you can enter at 24 naira 54 kobo for a first profit target at 26 naira 32 kobo. Transcorp. Okay, Transcorp. I think where should we take transport? Transcorp rather. Okay, you can see this is a very strong support. If you want to enter, enter at 1 naira 21 kobo for a push to 1 naira 41 kobo. That's a very strong reaction at this level. It's a very strong reaction at this level. I could remember this Copanando we were analyzing around around what time over September, November last year, and see where the price has gotten to. And there is a reaction, there is a pullback at this current level. This is a very strong resistance. So I expect the market to still come and test this level. Let me really reduce this my channel to come and mm, okay, I think this will be good enough. Let's forget about these 2 points there. So okay, so that is my projection. This IMG, I don't know this IMG, but the chart looks good. Market found support at this level. Momentum is building. If you can get the entry around 7 naira, 5 kobo is good. But this place is too high, or you can get it at 7 naira 43 kobo. But that price is too high because this is the major as the pivot. Okay, GSK. Break and retest. This is a break. This expect a retest. Initially, it was forming a rejection, forming like price is going to sell off from here. Now price has closed above it, making it a support. So where is the next level I'm expecting? I expect if you get it around that price, market will first react to this, but hopefully just take your profit around there. Let me see. Do I see any higher high connecting the low? Let's connect the low that formed the higher high. Okay. Okay, you can see that there is a confluence there. So expect to take your profit around 7 naira 90 kobo. Your entry is around 6 naira 60 kobo. That's for GSK. UPL. Okay. UPL, we are facing pivot, but this pivot looks weak. The market is going to break it. Let's look at what the monthly is saying. You can see the strong rejection at this support. So let's see. For fresh entry, you can take your entry around 1 naira 90 kobo. University Press, 1 naira 90 kobo, 1 naira 90 kobo, thereabouts. Okay. Then let's hope that the market, I don't expect pullback. If the market should pull back to this place, it's too weak, then it will form something like this. If the market should pull back to this place, then we might not have more than that for a continuation. Asako Insurance, good. Sako Insurance, very good. We get entry around 97 kobo. Let's hope that the market will get to 1 naira 17 kobo. Naira 17 kobo. That's overbought. Okay, I don't know this stock, but from what I'm seeing, market is resting above here. If you want to enter, you can come and enter at 3 naira 61 kobo. And let's hope that it gets to somewhere around here, maybe before the end of the year, or from here, market picks up. I don't know. Okay. So those are the two possibilities I can see. Okay, this is very good. I like these two candles that are sitting on this pivot. So if you get it at 60 kobo, take your profit at 87 kobo. And if the momentum is strong enough, can still push it to levels like 1 naira for the end of the year. Okay, for UPDC, okay, there's a rejection at the pivot and market supported the pivot. So what I just expect a move to this level. So, and you can see that the downward channel is already broken, forming, no. Okay, if I have to look at it again, okay, this is good. This is good. And take that entry to come out at 124 kobo. Unilever, okay, never also good sitting on this. If you get entry at 12 naira 32 kobo, 12 naira 32 kobo, let's hope that market hits that level again. Wapik, okay, Wapik struggling below the moving average and the pivot. So two possibilities. Market can hit this level and go up, or we have this that may be strong enough to get to that level, or the market pulls back to this place, come back up. So those are the two possibilities. The downward channel is already broken. So the market can come back and use the top of the channel for a support for another rally up. Or if the momentum is strong enough, can find support around here and just start going up from there. That's for Wapik Insurance. So let me just look at the prices for the Wapik Insurance. So if you must enter at 42 kobo. Then if market comes lower, you can enter at 34 kobo. Then you can take your profit. First profit target can be around 55 kobo, and the second profit target around 63 kobo. Dangote Sugar. Dangote Sugar is currently facing resistance at this level. So if you can get a support price to 16 naira, good entry, for another push to levels like 18 naira 93 kobo. At least, okay. I don't know this. Let me look at another. Okay, this is currently at a resistance. Don't think I want to pick any entry there. For computer warehouse group, my target is 1 naira 20, 1 naira 20 kobo. That's my target because momentum is already leaving this market. First target is here. But if market should hit this place and come back to this level and find support, then we can now buy to the next resistance around 1 naira 29 kobo. Okay, this is also a good one from what I'm looking at. Okay, market might not really get to this low. Market might not get to this low. If you can get this stock at 1 naira 52 kobo, it's good. 1 naira 52 kobo. But market might not sell up to that level. Might not. So if you can take partial entry at this level for a push to 1 naira 80 kobo, then if the market momentum is strong enough, can get to 2 naira and get to 2 naira 26 kobo. Okay, market price does not move in a straight line, so let me just be realistic. Okay, FCMB. Oh, FCMB, from what I'm looking at, overstretched, and this is a very strong rejection. Okay, you can still pick entry in this stock. The momentum is strong enough. Let's say maybe at this level, or if market still selling, find another support here to this level. Jerogu, okay, this is overstretched, no entry anywhere there. Okay, this is also a good one, good for fresh entry. We can get entry in Honeywell, honey flower at this level at 2 naira is good. Then for your profit around 3 naira, this is overstretched, it's overbought. We are facing a strong resistance in Bois cement. So what should I expect? Market might sell off here then before going up. Market might sell off before going up, or we just pick up from there. Might not sell off. Two possibilities. But the safest price to enter is around here. That's the safest price to enter. This is price is still below the resistance. So it has not broken it. So it might fall off. And then FM. Okay, and then FM. You must buy this stock. Can wait for a pullback. Pullback to 10 naira zone. Then you pick enter. Bagger paint. Mega paint, okay. For Becca paint, you can get it like this. Take your entry around 6 naira 71 kobo, then to 8 naira 90 kobo. Let me see how many I can still take. Stanbic, still below resistance. It's possible that I sell off and go back up, or market will just pick from there. But the safest one is for you to wait for pullback because we are currently below a resistance. So it's always better you wait for a pullback when you are below a resistance, or you wait for market to cross above the resistance, make it a support, then you pick your entry. Seplat. Market is still also below that support. So if you get this, fine. You get that, fine. Or you wait for, or market can just pick up like that. But I will not advise you to buy this. I will not advise. And it's a possibility because looking at this momentum, this is a possibility. Market, the momentum just crossed to the positive side and it's very strong. So it might fly up. Multiver also below. You have this, just take your profit at 4 naira 53 kobo. No fresh entry for that stock. Okay. Okay. This stock is this Academic Press. Academic Press is good for fresh entry. The momentum is not good. So if you can wait for a pullback, can wait for a pullback. In fact, if the pullback can get to somewhere around here, the top of this, so it's good, which is around 98 kobo, or you can get it at 117 kobo for entry, then a push to 175 kobo. Look up, look up. I will not advise you to buy this. It's already hitting the resistance at 15 naira 61 kobo. So if you want to buy, wait for, in fact, wait for a very good pullback somewhere around there, or if market should pull so much, and take it like that. Mansard. Okay. Mansard is sitting on the pivot, but the momentum is leaving. So if the market stays there for so long, think at this price, can pick an entry. Can pick an entry. It might not sell off up to but because from what I'm looking at, you see, it is staying here for so long. Staying here for so long. Can it get here? No. Let's take it here. The momentum is leaving the market, but you can see that the channel, the descending channel is broken. This descending channel should have come from here because there's no lower low after that. There's no lower low. So that should have been the best way to draw it. This is the lowest low. So the last price that caused this low is here. Okay, I can still use this. Okay, can still use that. Let me take two more. Getting tired already. NF. This is MPF. Good. This is a major resistance. So if you can get entry around here, entry around 174 kobo is very good. Then expect to take your profit around 2 naira zone. Oh, this should have been a very good stock for buy, but let me just say that market might still pull back, pull to this level. It's a possibility. Then my target, you take your target above there, target above there. So that is what I'm expecting. The last one, let me take the last one I have here, Okomo oil. Okomo oil. So for Okomo oil, take your entry around here. That's if the market pulls back to that level. Looking at it, okay, this is so. I think, and another possibility is that the market will just pick up from there. Anytime the market is flat, it's always very difficult to analyze. Because when the market is flat, there is no activity. So I don't know, market can just jump up or come down. Look at it here, it was flat, then it jumped down. Was flat here, jump up, was flat, jump down, flat, jump down, flat, jump down, flat, jump up. Can be flat and jump up or flat and jump down. So that is how we analyze that kind of market situation. So having said that, I think this is where we will round up this video. I hope you find some things useful information that can help in your trading decision this week. Wish you a very lovely week. Bye for now.